Alright, welcome back guys. We're back up here in the gear loft. Got the second box with my new hammock equipment in. This one is from Hammock Gear. This is the first time I've ordered from Hammock Gear and pretty excited about this one. This is nice. So again, we're not going to use anything to cut the boxes open. We're just going to tear into them. Maybe this one will be a little easier than last time. Alright. Let's see what kind of fun stuff we have. Thank you for supporting Hammock Gear. Some cards. Some more reflective guy line, a little more elastic. It's an orange. I think the other one was like a fluorescent green. Just some more shot cord. Alright, well there's only two things in here and both of them are pretty big items. So let's start with, recognize that sound? It's Dyneema from Hammock Gear. Oh, this thing weighs nothing. A repair kit. Yes, this is the 11-foot Dyneema tarp with doors. I've been drooling over this thing for years and I finally have one. Can't wait to get this put together and try it out. Super excited. And like nothing. The Hammock Gear logo, and it's got the Beastie D rings on it. So I've been drooling over this thing for a long time now and finally got around to pulling the trigger. So this will be flying over that new Dutch hammock here soon. And then, oh, it is an incubator. Wait, what? All right, let's see. Is it bad that I can't remember what colors I ordered? Blue on the outside, orange on the inside. Oh man, this is so nice. Is, see if we can read this. 20 degree 950 fill. I always like to do a lighter color on the inside so that I can, when I'm getting in the hammock, I can make sure that I can see that where the underquilt is. It's got S-hook for the main suspension. Line locks to adjust it up and down the suspension. This is to pull off the bottom so you don't have a draft. It's got a draft collar. Just want to snuggle with it. All right, well, can't wait to get this hung up, get everything built out, and then hopefully be hitting the trail here fairly soon and trying all this new gear out. Super excited. Man, I can just feel the warmth coming off of this thing. Awesome. All right, well, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to check back, and I'll hopefully have some videos up soon for everything put together. Thanks for watching. Bye.